Mariah, and I want to talk to you all about NBM. Here at NBM, you can become certified in as little as 30 weeks. We offer a pro updo and makeup course where you get to learn all the latest tips and techniques to achieve the perfect look. Not to mention, you will receive hands-on experience from our master educators. Whether you're a beginner or have beauty in your back pocket, we make sure our dolls are set for success. Our mission is to provide our students with a high-quality education with a structured learning curriculum. You will get to master the basic techniques, and before you know it, you will become an advanced pro in the industry.
Hi guys, my name is Yenny and I'm an educator here at NBM. I've been teaching here for about 3 years now, and people always ask me what my favorite part about teaching is, and I would absolutely say it is sharing the same dream and the same passion with my students, especially because we don't have the support that we wish we had, because a lot of people like to say that it's not a real career, but I'm here to show you and tell you that it is.